Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the MSI Raider 16HX AI gaming laptop. I've looked through the internet, checked early benchmarks, hardware breakdowns, and enthusiast discussions. And in this video, I'm going to help you decide whether this MSI Raider 16HX AI is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that immediately stands out is the raw performance ceiling. You're getting the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, which is a high-core desktop-class CPU designed for extreme multitasking and gaming workloads, paired with the RTX 5090 laptop GPU, which is currently positioned as one of the most powerful mobile graphics chips available. According to performance breakdowns of similar MSI HX AI systems, this level of hardware is capable of pushing extremely high frame rates in modern AAA games at 1440p class settings while also handling heavy productivity tasks like 3D rendering, AI workloads, and 4K video editing. Now let's talk about gaming experience, because that's where this machine is clearly designed to dominate. The 16-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 IPS display with 240Hz refresh rate is tuned for high FPS gaming, giving you ultra-smooth motion in competitive titles like CS2, Valorant, Apex Legends, and Fortnite, while also supporting cinematic AAA games with high visual fidelity. Reviews of similar Raider 16 Max HX systems show that the RTX 5090 class GPU is strong enough to handle maxed out settings in many modern games with DLSS support, making it feel closer to a desktop replacement than a traditional laptop. One of the biggest strengths here is the 64GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB NVMe SSD configuration. That combination basically removes any bottlenecks from multitasking, meaning you can game, stream, record, and run background apps without worrying about memory limitations. The 2TB storage also makes it very practical for modern game libraries, which are getting massive in size. Design-wise, the Raider series continues MSI's aggressive gaming aesthetic with per-key RGB lighting and a chunky, performance-first chassis. From user feedback on similar Raider models, this design is not subtle, but it's clearly built to support high thermal and power demands rather than focusing on thin and light portability. Now, after going through early reviews and enthusiast discussions, there are definitely some trade-offs you need to be aware of. First, this is a very high-power laptop, and that comes with heat and noise. Under heavy gaming loads, fans ramp up significantly because the system is trying to manage extremely powerful CPU and GPU components running at high wattage levels. Another important point is portability. Even though it's technically a laptop, this is closer to a desktop replacement machine, meaning it's heavy, large, and not something you'll casually carry every day. MSI is clearly prioritizing performance over mobility here, and that trade-off is very intentional. Battery life is also not a strong point. Like most HX Plus flagship GPU systems, real-world usage on battery is limited, and full performance is only unlocked when plugged in. So this is not a work unplugged all-day type of machine. There are also expectations around price. Systems in this category tend to sit at the very top of the gaming laptop market, and early commentary suggests these RTX 5090 class machines are aimed at enthusiasts who want maximum performance regardless of cost. So, would I recommend buying the MSI Raider 16HX AI RTX 5090 laptop? Honestly, yes, but only if you're the type of user who wants absolute top-tier gaming performance, heavy creative power, and a true desktop replacement in a portable form factor. This is one of those laptops that exists for people who don't want compromises in performance, even if it comes with heat, noise, and high cost. But if you want battery efficiency, portability, or value-focused gaming, then this is way overkill, and there are much more balanced options that make more sense. Overall, this feels like a flagship extreme performance gaming machine that is designed to push the limits of what a laptop can do in 2026, and it absolutely delivers on that promise. But it's not built for everyone, only for power users at the very top end of the market.